Hello, it's me, Riyang. Without any hesitations, I would say that Inspira provides one of the best platforms to learn, to upgrade ourselves, and I have experienced that. And until now, what I have learned, I'm quite satisfied with. Overall, the teachings contents of methods, lecturing, learning from all the classes, in fact, considerably quite good. And I would like to thank to all the Inspire teams and what I expected, I have received, in fact, which I can never forget is the assignment that, like, spec and practicum sessions that I've been doing. Overall, learning and doing of all the assignments actually has been helped me and to broaden uh, my knowledge of English. So, thank you, Inspira.